Today I'm turning a blank canvas of a cake into the New York City skyline with the help of my Cricut Joy Xtra. Today's video is sponsored by Cricut. I'm using Design Space to come up with like this New York skyline idea that I have. So I found like some city buildings, some clouds, and I'm just making the New York City topper that's going to be on top of it. So I don't know, Design Space really works for that. And I'm also designing some stencils here that'll help me airbrush the cake. So when I finish them, the Cricut will help me cut them all out. The first thing I'm going to do is cover this cake with chocolate ganache and then find it. Now that I have the fondant on the cake, I'm going to start adding all the color. This is where the sunset comes in. So I'm going to start with adding some blue at the bottom, then work my way up with different colors. And then I'll use stencils cut by my Cricut to airbrush the details. I'm going to start with this light blue first. I did the light blue, so I'm just going to use like a darker blue after that to kind of like start like an ombre. That looks the same color to me. I'm going to use a little purple instead. It looks a little rough, but it's gonna come together. I do know I want the top to be yellow. Before I can continue with this cake, I need to let this airbrushing dry. So while it's drying, I'm going to use my Cricut Joy Xtra to start cutting out all the things that I need. I'm using my Cricut to cut out the stencils I made on Design Space, and I'll use these stencils to airbrush on the finer details, and I love that Cricut helps me bring my designs to life. I'm going to use my cutouts that I made to start adding on the different things. So I'm going to add like a moon or a sun, I don't know which one. And then I'm going to do the clouds too. If you didn't know, I'm from the country, so I visited New York one time, like for the very first time, and it was such like a shock to me because it was like so much going on and I'm just not used to that. So it was like really cool to just kind of see how crazy and busy the city can be. So I don't know, that kind of really inspired me to like do this cake and try to make a cake that like had so many like colors and like all the stencils, the layers. It's just like a really cool way to like take me back to that first time I visited New York. So here's that in cake form. After all the stenciling and the airbrushing, this is what our skyline sunset is looking like. I think it's coming out really good. So I have one more thing I'm going to add, which is the topper. So I'm going to use my Cricut Joy Xtra to make that as well. And I've made a lot of cake toppers before with my Cricut, and I just found that it's like the fastest and most efficient way that I can get this all done. Here's my New York topper. I just used different cardstocks to layer it all together, so I just have to add this to the cake. So here is my New York skyline cake complete. There's so many ways that you can use a Cricut, so I hope that I gave you some ideas that you can use for your next project. So head to Cricut.com so you can get all the supplies that you've seen me use to make this cake. And until then, I'll see y'all in the next video.